Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today I am going to answer this question. Is it possible for Indian students to learn German without moving out of India? You stay in India, you live in India, but you want to learn German. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. There are thousands of students who are learning German and who are staying in India. They are not moving out. So you can be one of them. You can also learn that. But now it's your choice whether you want to learn online or offline mode. Now we have online mode. After pandemic, there is a tradition that people are learning online. They are joining online course, which I have explained in the previous video that you can watch. What are the benefits or what are the pro and contras of both online or offline classes. It's your choice. Yes, you can learn. There are many institutions, there are many coaching centers, and of course there are good reputed universities that offer foreign language courses. Here I am talking about German language. Central universities, okay, you can join anywhere nearby your city, or there are some other institutions where you can join and learn German language. So it's your choice. There is an opportunity, there is scope, and it is very much possible that you don't need to move out. You stay in the country, you learn German, and of course you can learn some other things also. You can update your CV, you can update your further qualification. You can of course work somewhere and you can learn German. But for that you need to be very efficient. You need to do a lot of hard work, because it is not difficult, it is not so easy, it's not a cakewalk that you work and you learn a language. Because learning a language is a lot of demanding. It's very much demanding. Demanding in the case you have to spend a lot of time. It's not so easy. You have to learn properly. It's like any other subject. It's like an academic. It is a professional course, but it is like an academic. You have to devote completely yourself. You have to spend every day 2 to 3 hours. And then after 6 months you see the result. It cannot be learned overnight. You have to spend time. So if you have time, if you have money, you can learn German in your own country without moving out. This was the case in India. But if you are living outside India, in some other country, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Europe, America, Australia, of course these are the opportunities for you also. No need to visit, no need to go abroad, especially to Germany, in order to learn German. You can learn German in your home country, in your homeland. There are so many institutions now. It's global phenomena. People are learning foreign languages. They learn more than 1 or 2 languages they wish to learn. In globalized world, there's a lot of scope if you know the foreign languages. If you know more than 1 language, your job opportunities are higher. You have good opportunity to have a good work as per your choice. So choice is in your hand. It should be in your hand. Then you feel satisfaction. If it's in the hand of other person, then of course you feel dejected. So always keep the ball at your side. So it is possible only when you have very good qualification, when you are well educated, when you have good command in the respective field. Here I am talking about German language. If you have good command over the language, so it's your choice. Wherever you want to go, whether you want to work in Germany or in home country. But first you have to learn the language. And again, there are plenty of opportunities. It's your decision. You want to learn in Germany or you want to learn in your home country, in your city. There are opportunities. Since I am talking about online course, you can visit any time. You can join any online course wherever you are. Location does not matter. Just you have a good connection, good Wi-Fi, internet plus 1 device, and you can learn anywhere. Distance doesn't matter. So just opportunities are plenty. It's your decision. You can of course learn German without moving to Germany. So that's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.